Hi, my name is Kasia and welcome back to my channel. We're going to go straight into this video because Dummy forgot to record an intro. But I'm just going to show you guys my wash day routine for my TWA. So right now I'm just rinsing my hair before I go ahead and put my Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo in it. I don't remember when the last time I washed my hair was. That sounds gross. So in that case, when I know I have a lot of buildup on my hair, I just want to go ahead and go over with the clarifying shampoo first to get any like gunk and stuff out of my hair. And I'm going to do that twice. Okay, so after I go ahead and get all of that rinsed out, I'm gonna go ahead in with the Texture ID Coils line, and this is their Detangling shampoo. I love this shampoo because it doesn't make my hair feel like stripped or anything. So after I go in with like a harsh clarifying shampoo, I want to make sure I go back in with something a little more gentle on my hair. Alright, and for conditioner, I'm taking the Texture ID Coils Self-Heating Coil Conditioning Mask. I just love this whole line. I have the regular conditioner too. And I'm just going to show you guys the texture of it really fast. It's like super creamy. So when I apply products like this onto my head, I pat it onto my head first to make sure that I get it everywhere, then start to rub it in. But this mask makes my hair feel like butter. I love it so much. It didn't feel super hot when I put the cap on my head, but you know, it was great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a plastic cap on my head and then continue on with my shower, and I will see you guys in the next clip. I got lights, guys. We're up in quality all 2020. So I'm just playing around saying I can't look directly at them because they're bright. But I think this is good. So I'm out the shower. I am going to let this mask sit in my hair. Usually I would use my little soft bonnet dryer attachment. No, it's a little soft bonnet dryer. It's kind of like a heat cap that I would use. But I have some stuff to do, like I gotta go eat. Then I gotta watch some TV while I eat. I would say finish cleaning up my room, but I'm lazy. And I don't want to spread false information. So I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm not sure if I'm gonna let it sit overnight or not. It just depends on how I feel, because I know when I wake up for work in the morning, I'm not gonna feel like rinsing my hair out, even though it ain't a lot of hair to rinse out. But let's go on to some facts. Okay, so today is March 18th, so it's almost a month since I filmed the ending of my like big chop video. So I do have a little bit more hair. So yeah, so I am almost 3 months in post big chop. So I'm almost 3 months post big chop, so that's really cool. When I rinse my hair out, I will come back and show you guys how I style it, but for now I'm gonna just chill with the conditioner in my hair. So I'll be back when it's time to be back. Hello. Let's play with the lights again. Okay, so it is the next day. I decided to, obviously, as you can see from where I tied my hair down last night, I went ahead and slept in the mask. One of the things I love about that, so this is the new Texture ID line, their Coils line. One thing I love about that specific line, excuse me, is that it helps like the process of defining my little bitty curls. So like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So what I'm going to use for styling this Camille Rose twisting butter. Love this stuff. I love Camille Rose. The only thing about certain Camille Rose products is that like they don't like to play nice with others. So, and then I'm gonna use this wild growth oil. Here's the thing about this wild growth oil. I also mix it with black castor oil because black castor oil is supposed to promote hair growth too. I don't know if the hype about wild growth is true or not yet, but I do like the way the wild growth mixed with the black castor oil makes my hair feel. So, and I'm gonna take literally this much. I'm just gonna zoom in on my face anyways. I'm literally gonna take this much and put it on my hand. So that's how much I'm using. And then I guess you could say maybe like 10 drops of the oil. So then rub that all together. Probably put too much oil this time. Oh well. And then I just pat it all over my head like this. And after I pat it, then I go in circles. And then I just try to make sure that I get it all over my edges and like any dry spots in my head or anything. And that's literally it. I don't necessarily always style my hair with the purpose of having like perfect little defined curls. I do the products that I put in my hair now, since my hair is so short, I just want to make sure my hair stays moisturized, and that's mainly what I use both of those products for. But yeah, that's my little wash day routine and how I style my hair. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I feel like there was something else I wanted to say. Should I zoom in on my hair? Should I have shown y'all my hair? Okay, look. The rolls in my neck. We hit 150 subscribers, so thanks. And if you haven't watched my big chop video, I will link that down below as well, just so you can stay updated on my new hair growth journey. I thank you guys so much for watching. Also, don't forget, I do have social medias. I'm gonna put them right here, so you can follow me on there and connect with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, you know, subscribe if you want to. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you not to. And you know, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.